Most people think of programming or coding as a handful of gibberish, and that's not without evidence. When you first glance at a page of code, it looks like cryptic symbols strung together. Many people shy away because it feels like learning a whole new language. Yet Python is different. Even though it belongs to the same family as other modern programming languages like Java, C, or C#, Python takes a unique approach. It's built on simple syntax, meaning you don't need to memorize tons of strange rules before writing your first line of useful code. The goal is readability and practicality. In fact, Python is often called a human-friendly programming language. Think of Python not as endless grammar rules, but as a vocabulary-driven language. You learn just enough basics, the alphabet of coding, so to speak, and then extend your power through libraries. Each library is like a ready-made dictionary of words for a specific purpose. Instead of reinventing the wheel, you use libraries to get straight to what you want to build. If you are a young child and want to get into coding in an interactive, fun-filled, animated way, using simple shapes like squares, rectangles, circles, stars, and other polygons to create colorful, moving structures, then Turtle can be your best friend from day one. For building your own buttons, windows, or interactive menus, you can start with Techsyntar for basic graphical user interfaces, or move on to Qt for more elaborate and flexible GUIs. Want to draw graphs and charts? Use libraries like Matplotlib, Seaborn, or even connect to Plotly for interactive visuals. Interested in dashboards or business analytics? Libraries such as Dash, Streamlit, or tools like Power BI integrations help you. Curious about games? There's Pgame, a playful library designed for making 2D games. Want to explore data analysis? Libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and scikit-learn help you analyze, clean, and even predict patterns in your data. Thinking of artificial intelligence? You can tap into TensorFlow, PyTorch, or Keras for cutting-edge AI and machine learning. Fascinated by websites or apps? Python offers Flask and Django to help you build them quickly. Instead of forcing you to master every last detail before creating something, Python says, "Tell me what you want, and I'll give you the right tool for it." This makes the language especially welcoming for beginners, while still powerful enough for professionals at Google, NASA, or Netflix. Learning Python is like learning a world language that already has dictionaries for art, science, engineering, medicine, business, and entertainment. You don't need to memorize everything up front. You just add vocabulary when you need it. And as you do, you'll realize you're not just writing code. You're solving problems, creating art, or even building businesses.